My name is Dayton Rodriguez. I'm the owner of Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services here in Louisville, Kentucky. We help homeowners and commercial building owners with floor cleaning and any other restoration needs. I was born in Cuba, but in 2010, I had the opportunity to come over to the United States. I had the chance to pursue my dream, the American dream. I'm also a U.S. citizen, proud to be a U.S. citizen. I'm extremely grateful with this country since I'm an immigrant. In 2012, beginning of 2013, we started the company Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services with the mission to offer every citizen here in the city of Louisville the most outstanding service experience ever when it comes to cleaning and restoration. There are 5 things that makes our company different. The number one is our reputation. We believe that without reputation, you're nothing. Our company is a 5-star rated company in all major sites. We're also exclusively referred by most local flooring dealers, interior designers, and insurance agents to their clients. We help all their clients. Experience is the other point. We know how to clean any fibers, wool, silk, nylon, polyester, as well as soiling condition, from pet accidents to odor to water damage. We can help you with clean water, sewage backup, anything like that. Education. You have to have education to be able to help everybody out there. And in our case, we need to know everything about the cleaning and restoration industry. We are IICRC certified and trained. The team, everybody in the company have to know what we're doing, and we train every day on a regular basis. Systems. We have the most advanced systems on the market, from equipment, solution, tools, everything out there. We're always keeping up with the new technology. That way we can come into your home or building and offer you the best service. Last but not least is our guarantee. We want to make sure that when you work with us, you know that we want to earn your business, that you don't take any risk when you work with our company. You will get 100% money back guarantee. We will ensure that you're totally satisfied with the process. And that's what I have to offer you from me, the owner, and from the company. If you have any question, please give us a call. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.